Yeah, hi, good morning. Now, today I'm going to discuss about the rapid template, uh, how to implement the rapid template and how to insert the data into the instance. That can be we are discussing in detail about that. So first you need to go with the setup and maintenance. In that, in the task list, consider the manage implementation project. So first you can create the project here. So in that project, implementation project. So I'm creating the implementation project here. In this project, I'm going to assign the task manage task list, that is manage implementation project. So there is a different fields which is open here. So we need to assign that if based on the requirement. Financial I'm assigning here. So financial, this will be the task. I'm going to open it. It will be having a task list. It's a task list, subtask like that. It will be there. Save and close. So before going to that, I'm going to log in with some other user. So okay, yes, done. Now for this user, I'm going to add the task list offering, task list, task offering. It's a task list. Define percentage enterprise like that. I'm giving the keyword. Define enterprise structure with rapid implementation. Define enterprise or rapid. I can give the keyword again. Rapid implementation. So you can consider the define enterprise structure for configuration for rapid implementation. I'm applying this one. So with the help, which will be this, so this will be having the templates, rapid implementation template with this. Okay, it will appear to us here. Done. Contemplation apply. Just in the task list, it is already applied here. Done. Matachi. Yes, now it is attached here. Define enterprise structure for configuration and rapid implementation. In that, now I am going to download the template. So by clicking on this chart of accounts, legal, ledger, business unit. So if I'm going to click on this arrow, it will download the template. Now that app template has been downloaded here. Before closing this, before starting off that, now what I need to do here is in the downloads, unblock this template, properties, unblock. After that, can go with the implementation of your project. In the chart of account, you can give the name. Here there is options. USD, you can go with this one. Yes. Caps letters. Frequency will be monthly. Just rapidly I'm taking, randomly I'm taking. End of the year, date will be 20, no, month will be the first 4-22 dash slash 2025. Company segment. Here there is a two mandatory fields. Other will be segment label will be the always you can able to choose this will be the primary balancing segment. CVM. Width will be two spaces. Next will be the accounting segment. So this will be the natural accounting segment. ACC taking two business unit will be next I'm taking Raju. Capsule legal entity Raju next I'm randomly taking the values. So legal entity as well as description. So this will be related to the companies. This will be related to the legal entity. So in this company's information, company description, I'm taking here 00. Company description will be company parent. So in that child will be the 01 retail. That retail Raju underscore L. I'm taking name. This legal entity I'm considering here as well. Country will be here the list of values. You can take the United States. Address will be somewhat randomly I'm taking. Just a minute. I'm going to consider it will be the existing one. Address line somewhat. You can see the address. I'm taking this as it is. Yeah. Natural accounting. Here in the natural accounting part, as it is, I need to go for consideration of these values because she gives some confusion in the middle of it. I yeah, accounting type will give the list of values here. So first one will be revenue, top revenue parent account, mandatory fields. Top revenue parenting account, expensive, expensive, top parent account. Just I'm copying from there. This will be the written earning is the mandatory field. That written owner's equity retained earning. Owner's equity retained earning is the option we need to choose here. Next will be the company's legal information we have provided. Natural accounting information also we provided. So this will be the annual I'm taking. So now I'm going to validate this list. Any issues which will be having natural accounting issues. So displayed with 2. Here I am taking 1. Width is 2, but I will be taken as a 3 values. So to avoid it, I am taking 2 values. Next here also 2. Next child also need to consider 2. And we can check the validate report. This also 2 will be considered. Next will be the 1. 001. Display width will be 2. Next will be default legal entity Ravi RTA. What is the problem with this legal entity name is used in companies and legal entity sheet should be used. So next I'm taking, we shall evaluate it. If it is error will be adding, then otherwise I will check about that. Yes, it will be considered. Now we need to go for generate the chart of RAR file. So this zip file, I am going to place it on the desktop. I will delete these things. The existing things. Now cancel. Generate a chart of account file. Chart of accounts zip file, which is going to be placed on the desktop. Next, generate legal entity ledger. These things will be placed on the desktop. Okay. Now I have completed the filling of the data on the random template. Now I'll go with the instance. Upload the chart of account. Now I'm going to upload the chart of account. Upload enterprise structure. Choose file. Desktop. Chart of account. Submit. So 424. It's a running status. Once it is completed, then I'll go with the next one. Succeeded. It is completed. Done. Next, I'm going to upload the legal entities, business units, ledger. Just little bit down. Desktop, financial components, submit. 429. Blocked. Okay. Now I will check these things. Manage chart of account structure. The financials. Manage chart of account structures. Blind search. Manager. Display. Status. Done. Now I'm going to put the flex field name. Choose search. It is entered. 22/4/2025. This is the today date. Done. How to check this one? Value sets. Blind search. So this is about that. And now we can check it once. So we can go with the manage in the financials, reporting structure, manage chart of account structures. That blind search, general ledger will open. So manage structures. Now you can give the name. So I'll be given that. So this will be the edit company accounting. That company again, primary balancing segment, all the details will be whatever the profit template we entered the details will be shown here. Like save and close. The same way accounting also, the same natural accounting related information will be shown here. Save and close. That accounting, edit, event is the two. That is about the next one. Done. So instance itself, you can able to check. Raju. It's not this one. Done. Manage structure. Raju. Okay. It's also not the correct one. Lecture, manage structure. Name will be Raju. So, okay. So as entered. The edit. So the company segment, edit again. Default value set, company Raju. You can able to use this one. Now save and close. Done. And now you can with the chart of account manage. Analyze core company Raju. Search it. You can find this one. Edit. So you can see the details about the company Raju. Next will be the account. The same way, accounting, in that also you can see the details which we entered. Okay, that is about the